Hi, my name is Nicole Shivers, and today we're going to talk about the expanded Supra Lockbox access now available to BayEase key holders. For the past several years, BayEase members have been able to search California regional MLS listings by logging into Paragon MLS and selecting CR MLS from the home screen. We are delighted to share, in addition to searching their listings, you can now open Supra Lockboxes on thousands of CR MLS listings. CR MLS covers a wide range of areas throughout Southern California. Check out this map to view the coverage areas and a list of associations that utilize Supra Lockboxes in those areas. You can also visit www.bayeast.org/info by county to see a summary of Supra Lockbox access information, such as the primary MLS system for each area, the type of lockboxes used, and more. If you have any questions about the expanded lockbox coverage areas, please contact our Member Services Department directly at 925-730-4060. And as always, thank you for watching.